There's no need. There's no need. Be nice to me. I'm your handler. What's up, guys? Welcome to DailyGray. It is 5:20 at night. Like I said, these vlogs are going to be a bit weird in their timing. Pardon me. So, I start work at 7 tonight. Until then, I'm going to go get some food. Probably chicken. Oh, and one of them cafe things. I fucking need one of them in my life. Because where I parked today, I drove past one on the way in and I was like, yep, you are definitely going to be in my life later. So, food. It looks like it's going to fucking hoy it down with rain. Which is deeply unideal for me. I like a dry night so I can train. And obviously if it's pissing with rain, I ain't going to be able to get you any footage. So we're going to have van talk. Maybe we'll call this episode Van Talk. DailyGray, episode 20 something, Van Talk. I feel so much better for a sleep, obviously. But like I said yesterday, sometimes you just got to do them things. Everyone's like, it's unhealthy, you're going to die. And I'm like, I know it's unhealthy, but I need to get shit done. And this is the current state of affairs. So, I think what I'm getting at is make the most of a bad situation. I knew I was going to be really fucking tired. I knew I was going to have loads of brain fog. I knew I was going to struggle. Embrace it. I knew it was coming. And I was like, we got this. We got this. What do you do? Right. On for some food. Trying to think if there's anything I need to tell you. We'll have a chat later about something dog training, because as I say, I think we're going to have a night of heavy rain. Thankfully the dogs were worked in bite work yesterday and in obedience at night, so if they get a night of rest, it's not going to kill them. Not a massive deal. Right, I'm going to go get chicken and McCafe salted caramel thing. Shock fucking horror. Jay Gray was right. Pissing down with rain. I have been joined in the front of the van. I try and have one of them up here as often as I can. A, because it's just nice, isn't it? It's nice to spend some time with them. But B, if something goes drastically wrong, which is very unlikely to here, I've got a dog with me at all times. Because if you're sat in the front of your van, dog handlers, and 5 guys approach you and are surrounding your van with machetes, you can't get out. That's a problem. If you have a dog in the front, you just open the window and throw them out. But yeah, it's just nice to have her in the front, and Flack Bar will be joining me later, I'm sure. This one needs to fuck off, doesn't it? There's no need. There's no need. Be nice to me. I'm your handler. Stop blowing in my face then now. Not going away at all. You alright, Flacky? Yeah, it's not playing in the slightest, which is not ideal. Whoa, you get in there. Do not jump out of that window. Let's put you here. Flacky, not comfortable. Not comfortable. You're on, mate. As you saw when Khaleesi was in here, it's just fine. It just sits and chills. This fucking big ape. You're annoying. You've always got to be on me, haven't you? You can't just go and lay down like a normal dog. So it's Flack's hour now. Khaleesi's had a couple of hours in here. Flack can have an hour in here. Oh, I've lost the light, Flacky. And then I'm hoping this rain's going to stop. We can go and train a bit. this job, I will say, guys, you've heard me sing its praises, you've heard me put it down, but this job, when it's raining and you're on a boring site, is shit. This is not the best job in the world for this. You know, it's fine if you're on an interesting site and it's raining, as in interesting action or interesting can really go out and train, and it's worth getting wet and muddied up. Like when we used to be on Siren, that you've got to get wet and muddy there. It's just part of it. I don't here, so you don't really want to. Please stop licking me. Are you gonna go and lie down like a normal dog? Don't be fucking ridiculous, Dad. Do not be so ridiculous. Flakbar. Flakbar. Ugh. No, you don't need to be on me, you don't need to be on. Does this, he dead weights on you. And there's nothing you can do about it, watch. I can push it, really push it. Right, stay on that seat, there we go. Come on, mate, we'll go away, go away. See, it's now light. However, it stopped raining about 10 minutes ago. So, dogs are on rest night. They went out for a mooch around, patrols, pee and poo, but nothing filmable. No training. If I was training, I'll film it. So hopefully tonight, I mean it's blue skies at the moment. The ideal life of a dog handler in summer is that it's pouring rain all day, and then come 5 PM at night it goes into bright sunshine. So you've got a bright sunny evening, and then warm, dry nights. But it never happens. What always happens is that it's fucking scorching hot sun when you're trying to sleep in a metal van, and then it bounces rain all night. It's freezing cold. 13 degrees as of right this second. So I'm gonna do what I did with the last vlog and film tonight's on top of this, you know, and put them up in a tour, because as I said, I'm gonna daily vlog, but that would have been the entire vlog. It would have been like 4 minutes of nothing. So tonight I'll get some footage. I want to get some academy videos recorded as well. So I'm praying for some dry weather, because obviously when it's dark, you can't film anything. It used to be fine a couple of months ago before the night started drawing in. It was fine because come 3:30, 4 o'clock it was bright sunshine. Like now it's 6:20 and it's only really just getting light. I know it looks light on the camera, and it is. It's daylight, but it's not. It needs to be very bright to film. I could probably film now, but 6:10, you know, 6:20. I finish in half an hour. There's stuff to sort, you know, at the end of shift, things to do. So I'm gonna get off. Sorry, I keep shuffling around because there's something in the back of my fucking vest and I don't know what it is. It's highly uncomfortable. Yeah. It's crazy how much easier a 12-hour shift is after you've done like 48 hours straight. Like that. That was fine last night. It didn't feel long at all. I feel like I've just started, really. So, I'll drop in with you all when I wake up. Don't know if you can see. We have sun, no rain. I mean, the sky does look a little bit suspicious. Up there somewhere. But as of right now, it's dry. So I'm gonna wait for these guys to lock up and I'm gonna get some training done, so we can actually get some footage on this damn vlog. Should we put you in here again, where you seem to live? I went to Morrison's. I actually went to get cold coffee. The bastards didn't have any. So what, Morrison's doesn't sell cold coffee? Unhappy dog handler. But happy dog handler if this rain stays away. Push. Up. Slippy lad. Los. Sit. Boy. Boy. Los. Ja. Tak, los. Los. Set. Good. Good boy. Good. Up. Up. Yeah. Push. 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 Central. Up. Yep. Really? strength. Well, session 1. Because it's going to stay nice tonight, I think. There's blue sky everywhere. Very faded blue sky because it's nearly dark. But better? Yeah, so I think it's going to stay nice tonight, which means I'll get out and train again later. However, the street lights here go off at 11 o'clock, so I probably won't be able to film it. But I'm going to do a grip session with the dogs, and then I'm going to do another OB session towards the end of the shift. All is well, all is well. Also, I want to talk about people rushing. It's the biggest problem I'm seeing in any dog training across the board, in protection work, in obedience work, in general pet behaviour, in behavioural issues, in flyball, in agility, in everything that anybody ever talks to me about. People are rushing, and it's causing them fucking issues. Slow down. Dog training takes fucking ages. So you've seen that session there that I've just filmed. That's almost the identical session to every other session that I've done for the last 6 months. You're putting on tiny molecular progress each time. It's not, you're never going to get this miraculous breakthrough day. You very occasionally get it, but don't chase it, because they're so few and far between, and they just happen when the dog's ready. So like my molecular add-on today with Flack was that his tactical heel turns were much better than they've ever been. They were fine. Just go slow, guys, go slow. It is now 1:10 in the morning. If I shuffle over here, do we get more light? Not really, not really. So, 1:10 in the morning. I'm about to go out and do some grip work with Flackbar and Khaleesi. Life for dog handler, guys. It's not the most exciting thing sometimes. And like I said, a lot of you will have seen my recount of Beat Herder Festival, and that was just nuts, the whole thing. The whole thing was crazy. And then you get things like Kendall Calling and things like this. It's just a ghost town here. I mean, there's been some bad shit happening here recently. I ain't seen any of it. It's crazy what happens when you park a dog van somewhere. All the bad guys seem to want to go somewhere else. So yeah, bit of grip work. No massive account of anything. I don't think I've seen a human being tonight. It's been crazy. Crazy quiet. But it allows me to train my dogs, which is ultimately what I thoroughly enjoy doing. I've ended up on this job really as a favour to someone. A friend rang me and said, "Can you work this job?" And I said, "Not really." And she's like, "Please." So here we are. Here we are. Obviously the money's nice, but I'd rather be on my field training my dogs. But like I say, when it's this quiet, I can just go out and train, which is perfect. Obedience done, both dogs. Grip session about to be done, both dogs. Obedience session later today, both dogs. That's an amount of time that I often don't get to go into the field. You know, at home I have clients in, I have emails to reply to and calls to make and Skype sessions to do and all that jazz that you see in all the other days. The joy of being here is that you get very much left alone. Right, that's it, guys. The weather gods have shone on me. The night was dry. We've now got an hour left and it's just started raining. So I'm going to wrap the vlog up here. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Tomorrow is the last night of being away, and then full day session Saturday. No, nothing on Saturday. Catching up for the academy on Saturday. Full day session on Sunday. Clients on Monday morning, maybe training in Loughborough on Tuesday, full day session on Wednesday, prep on Thursday, leave for Larrockmore on Friday. Got something to tell you about Larrockmore tomorrow, stay tuned. I need to release it to my academy members first, and then I'll release it to the public. Saturday, watching puppy and level 3, Sunday level 1 and 2's on, and then we're back to the week after, so hopefully we'll get some decent stuff next week. Bloody dog, I've been playing tug with Khaleesi and she dragged out my hand and scuffed all my hand up. So, question of the day: what is your favourite behaviour to train, or favourite genre of behaviour? So like, my favourite thing to train is obedience, closely followed by protection.